ever wondered how cryptocurrency and blockchain work? This beginner's guide will demystify these complex concepts and help you gain a solid understanding of the digital revolution. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that relies on cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, operating on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain, the underlying technology of most cryptocurrencies, is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures transparency, security, and the immutability of transaction data. There are a plethora of cryptocurrencies available today, but some of the most well-known ones include Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, Ethereum, known for its smart contract capabilities, and Ripple, which is focused on facilitating fast and low-cost cross-border payments. Two critical concepts in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain are mining and proof of stake. Mining involves using computational power to validate and secure transactions on a blockchain, while proof of stake relies on users holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency to validate transactions. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital tools called wallets. These wallets come in various forms, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. Cryptocurrencies are not just digital money. They are also used for online purchases, as an investment, in programmable contracts and applications, and even to represent real-world assets like real estate or artwork digitally on a blockchain through tokens. There are several benefits to using cryptocurrencies. They are decentralized, meaning no single entity controls them. They offer a high level of security, thanks to cryptography and blockchain technology. Plus, they enable fast and low-cost global transactions. However, it's also important to understand the risks and considerations. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, which can lead to substantial gains or losses. The legal and regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies varies by country and is subject to change. While blockchain itself is secure, individual accounts and exchanges can be vulnerable to hacking or phishing attacks. Unlike traditional bank accounts, cryptocurrency holdings are not insured by government agencies. In conclusion, cryptocurrency and blockchain are transforming the way we think about money and transactions. They offer potential advantages in terms of decentralization, security, and global transactions. However, they also come with their own set of risks and considerations. As always, do your research and proceed with caution when entering the world of digital currency.